everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this digger, or in Matchbox terms it says ground grabber, and it's from mainline. So we're just gonna open it up and see how does it look. So like almost every other construction equipment, this is also finished in yellow, and you can see for a mainline it has got some nice details, I would say, because if you look at the tires and wheels, they do look very original or reminiscent to what you see on these construction equipments, so that's really nice. You got a bucket up front, and then you got a, I don't know what's called technically, it's dozer or something. So you've got one in the back, and then this is the cab where you have the operator who works on everything. This is how it looks from the top. So this one moves, as you can see. The bucket doesn't, but this one moves, and surprisingly this one moves, just like how it's done on the original vehicle. So for a mainline, well, this is really good, and I'm glad I bought it. I didn't know this one moved. So yeah, if you're looking for one, if you look for one, like, I don't know, just for your collection or even for kids, I think this will be a nice addition because it's got some nice details. I like the wheels, I like the way they have done the bucket, moving bucket, and small details in the back too. So overall, a very good mainline casting. Thank you for watching.